Why does Steam throw error 1.0.50 when launching games like GTA 5? The answer lies in Game Launcher's connection with Steam. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. One of the most frustrating issues players encounter on Steam is error code 1.0.50. This error usually appears when the game launcher fails to communicate properly with Steam. In this video, we will walk through simple steps to get GTA 5 running smoothly again. Method 1. Check Steam or the game server status. If the game's servers like Rockstar for GTA 5 are down, no local fix will work. So visit the official game server status page or Steam status page. Look for outages or maintenance notices. If servers are down, you will need to wait until they are restored. Method 2. Verify game files in Steam. Corrupted or missing files can trigger errors. So verify the integrity of the game files. Here is how you can verify the integrity of the game files from Steam platform. Head to the Steam library, right-click on the game and open its properties. Go to the Install Files tab and click on the Verify Integrity of the Game Files option. Wait till Steam verifies the game files and download the missing file or fix the corrupted game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Method 3. Run Steam and Launcher as administrator. Lack of permissions can block proper communication between Steam and external launchers. So, run Steam and the game launcher as administrator. Here is what to do. Close Steam completely, right-click the Steam shortcut and run as administrator. Do the same for Rockstar Games Launcher or Social Club. This grants full system access, preventing permission-related errors. Method 4. Clear cache. When you are getting the Steam 1.0.50 error, clearing the download cache can help because it removes corrupted temporary files that may block proper communication between Steam and the game website or launcher. This forces Steam to rebuild fresh data and resync your account, often resolving the error. Here is how to do so. Open Steam, then head to Settings. Go to Downloads, click Clear Download Cache, restart Steam and log back in. Method 5. Reinstall the game launcher. If the launcher itself is corrupted, reinstalling is the cleanest fix. Go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Uninstall the game launcher like Rockstar Games Social Club. Download the latest version from the official site. Install and restart your PC. Method 6. Disable VPN or firewall temporarily. VPNs or strict firewalls can block communication between Steam and game servers. So if you are using a VPN, disable it and check if that helps. Firewall and your antivirus program can also interfere with Steam and create problems like this. So you can temporarily disable firewall and antivirus. Since it is always recommended not to disable firewall and antivirus, as your system is vulnerable to malicious threats without them, make sure to enable them soon after. Type Windows Defender Firewall in the Windows search box and select the top option. Click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Ensure you disable Windows Defender Firewall for both public and private network settings. Save the changes by clicking on OK. In case you use Windows Security, type Windows Security in the search menu and select the first option. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings from the Virus and Threat Protection settings. From the next window, turn off the toggle for real-time protection. From the next USE prompt, select Yes. If you have any other third-party antivirus software, make sure to turn it off too. Steam's error code 1.0.50 may look intimidating, but it's usually solved with straightforward fixes like restarting, verifying files, or refreshing the game launcher. Once resolved, you will be back without interruptions. If this video helped you clear the error, hit like, subscribe for more proven gaming fixes, and share your own GTA 5 troubleshooting stories in the comments, because chances are someone else is facing the same challenge. Thanks for watching. More fixes coming soon. Catch you in the next one.